10 passive income ideas to make money while you sleep. Imagine a life where your bank account grows even while you're catching some Z's. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a fantasy. It's entirely possible with the right strategies. I remember when I first started out, I was working crazy hours as a realtor, barely scraping by. The stress was overwhelming and I felt like I was constantly on the edge. The long hours and the pressure to close deals were taking a toll on my health and personal life. I knew there had to be a better way, a way to make money even when I wasn't working. I spent countless nights researching, reading books, and watching videos, trying to find a solution. I was determined to break free from the cycle of trading time for money. That's when I discovered the power of passive income. It was like a light bulb went off in my head. The concept was simple yet revolutionary, earning money with minimal effort on an ongoing basis. I realized that with the right investments and strategies, I could create multiple streams of income that would flow in, regardless of whether I was working or not. Imagine waking up to money in your account every single day without lifting a finger. It's an incredible feeling to see those deposits rolling in, knowing that your financial future is secure. This isn't just about making money. It's about creating a lifestyle where you have the freedom to do what you love. That's the beauty of passive income. It allows you to achieve true financial freedom and live life on your own terms. Whether it's spending more time with family, traveling the world, or simply enjoying your hobbies, passive income gives you the flexibility to design your ideal life. So, if you're tired of trading your time for money and ready to start building a life of freedom, you're in the right place. It's time to break free from the chains of the traditional 9-to-5 grind and explore new opportunities. The journey to financial independence starts with a single step, and I'm here to guide you through it. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 proven passive income ideas that can help you generate wealth while you sleep. These ideas are practical, achievable, and have the potential to transform your financial situation. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of passive income together. Dividend stocks are like the silent workhorses of your portfolio. They quietly generate income without much fanfare, steadily contributing to your financial growth. You see, when you own dividend stocks, you're essentially buying a piece of a company that pays you a portion of its profits just for being a shareholder. This means that as long as the company is doing well, you will continue to receive these payments, often on a quarterly basis. It's like having your own little money-making machine working for you 24/7. Imagine waking up to find that your investments have been working hard while you were sleeping, adding to your wealth without you lifting a finger. The best part? You don't need to be a Wall Street guru to get started. With the wealth of information available online and through financial advisors, even a novice investor can begin to understand the basics of dividend investing. With a little research and a long-term mindset, you can start building a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks that will generate a steady stream of passive income for years to come. This approach not only provides financial security but also allows you to reinvest your dividends to buy more shares, compounding your returns over time. Imagine the possibilities, using your dividend income to fund your dream vacation, pay off debt, or even save for retirement. The potential is limitless when you harness the power of dividend stocks. So take the first step today. Start researching, consult with a financial advisor if needed, and begin your journey towards financial independence with dividend stocks. Your future self will thank you. Now, let's talk about real estate, one of my personal favorite ways to build wealth. Real estate has been a cornerstone of wealth building for centuries, and for good reason. It offers a tangible asset that can appreciate over time, and it provides multiple streams of income. While it's not entirely passive, rental income can be a powerful way to generate significant cash flow and build long-term wealth. By investing in rental properties, you can create a steady stream of income that can help you achieve financial independence. The key is to find the right properties in the right locations and to manage them effectively. Imagine owning a property that generates thousands of dollars in rent every month, covering your mortgage and putting money in your pocket. This income can be used to reinvest in more properties, pay down debt, or simply enjoy a better quality of life. The possibilities are endless when you have a reliable source of rental income. Of course, being a landlord comes with its own set of challenges, but with the right systems in place and a little bit of sweat equity, rental properties can be a fantastic way to achieve financial freedom. You'll need to handle maintenance, deal with tenants, and navigate the occasional vacancy. But the rewards can far outweigh the challenges. By building a team of trusted professionals, such as property managers and contractors, you can streamline the process and focus on growing your portfolio. In the end, the effort you put into managing your rental properties can pay off in the form of a cash-flowing empire that provides financial security and peace of mind. Are you an expert in something? Do you have valuable skills or knowledge that others would pay to learn? If so, creating and selling online courses could be your golden ticket to passive income. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easier than ever to package your expertise into digital courses and reach a global audience. The beauty of online courses is that they're scalable. Once you create a high-quality course, you can sell it over and over again, generating passive income even while you sleep. Chapter 4. Affiliate Marketing. Get paid to recommend what you love. Ever told a friend about an amazing product or service? Well, with affiliate marketing, you can actually get paid for those recommendations. It's simple. You partner with a company, promote their products or services on your website, social media, or email list, and earn a commission for every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to be authentic and only recommend products or services that you genuinely believe in. Chapter 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Be the bank, reap the rewards. Forget traditional banks. With peer-to-peer lending, you can become the lender and earn interest on your money. Platforms like Lending Club connect borrowers with investors, allowing you to lend money to individuals or businesses in need. While there's always some risk involved with lending, diversifying your investments across multiple borrowers can help mitigate that risk and generate solid returns. Chapter 6. Write an ebook. Your words, your passive income stream. If you've got a knack for writing and a story to tell, self-publishing an ebook on Amazon Kindle could be your path to passive income. The beauty of ebooks is that they're digital products, meaning there's no inventory to manage or shipping costs to worry about. Once your ebook is live on Amazon, it can generate passive income for years to come, especially if you choose a profitable niche and market your book effectively. Chapter 7. Create a blog, your platform for passion and profit. Starting a blog is like creating your own online real estate. It's a platform to share your passions, connect with like-minded individuals, and yes, generate passive income. From display advertising and sponsored posts to affiliate marketing and selling your own products or services, there are countless ways to monetize a successful blog. The key is to be consistent, create high-quality content that provides value to your audience, and be patient. Building a profitable blog takes time and effort. Want to invest in real estate without the headaches of being a landlord? REITs, or real estate investment trusts, allow you to do just that. REITs are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate properties, such as shopping malls, apartment buildings, and office spaces. By investing in REITs, you can gain exposure to the real estate market and earn dividends without having to deal with tenants, toilets, or late-night maintenance calls. Are you an avid photographer with a treasure trove of stunning images? Why not turn your passion into passive income by selling your photos online? Stock photo websites like Shutterstock and iStockPhoto allow you to upload your photos and earn royalties every time someone downloads one of your images. It's a great way to monetize your existing photography skills and generate passive income from your creative work. Musicians, this one's for you. If you're creating original music, you can earn passive income by licensing your tracks for use in various media projects. From YouTube videos and podcasts to TV shows and video games, there's a huge demand for royalty-free music, and platforms like Audio Jungle and Epidemic Sound make it easy to connect with potential licensees. Every time your music is used, you earn royalties, creating a passive income stream from your creative talent. So there you have it, 10 proven passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. Remember, building passive income takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't expect to get rich quick, but with the right mindset and a willingness to put in the work, You can create a life where money is no longer a source of stress, but a tool that empowers you to live your dreams.